Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. My name is Rebecca and I post videos all about luxury, beauty, lifestyle, planning videos. So if you're into that kind of content, then definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And in today's video, I have a very exciting one for me personally. This is a subscription box unboxing, as you can tell from the title. I did go ahead and pick up the March subscription box from Cloth and Paper. I have no idea what's in here. I have not opened it yet. We're going to do that on camera. So if you want to see what came in the March subscription box from Cloth and Paper, then just keep on watching. Alright, so if you did not see recently, I posted an unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton GM Agenda. I'm super stoked about it, and I'm pretty sure that this video that I'm filming right now is going to go live before my actual setup video, just because I want this to be relevant for the timing. I'm going to try to get this up as quickly as possible. I just got this in the mail like a day ago, so I'm filming and trying to get the video up. So I ended up trying out the Cloth and Paper subscription box. I honestly don't know if I'm going to keep doing it from month to month, mainly because it is $38 a month, and if I just don't find the items, all of the items in the box to be worth it for me, then there's no point in me getting it every single month and wasting the $40. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and we will see what we got. I'm also going to go ahead and insert up close shots of all the items. You know, I'll throw them in whenever I see fit. That way you can actually kind of see like an up close glance. But let's open her up. So the first thing on top is this little card, and it basically tells you what is inside the box. So I don't really want to read it because I want to be surprised when I open it. So as I go through, I will go ahead and read you like what the item actually is. So it all comes very neatly packaged in this white paper, white tissue paper. So, okay. Alright, so the first insert is, it's honestly like a full sheet of paper. It's not a 5 size. So that is one thing I do want to tell you. These boxes, you basically customize based on what type of planner you have. So I do have a pocket size or the PM Louis Vuitton agenda, and I also have the A5 agenda from Louis Vuitton now as well. I opted for the A5 just because I figured that's going to be where I'm going to get the most use for like daily planning. So I opted for A5. So I'm not really sure like what they're intending with this. So let me read you the description. Cleaning inserts. Or is this? Yeah, this is definitely it. Oh no, yeah, okay. Start with a clean slate this season and keep it that way. We are always thinking of ways to make your planner shine. Now you can make your home shine too with our cleaning inserts. So basically this is just like a cleaning checklist of what you should be doing daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. So that's pretty interesting. I am a clean freak. I'm super particular about how things are in my house, so this actually might be pretty decent to have just hanging around somewhere. I'm kind of bummed because it's not going to fit in my planner. So I guess I'm just going to have to like keep this out. Maybe that's the intention. Maybe they want you to keep it somewhere like on your desk so that it's always visible. Anyway, let's move on. So the next thing we have in here appears to be possibly just some kind of dashboard. So, oh, yes. So this is a wave dashboard. It says, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn how to surf. Use this as a reminder that you can handle whatever life throws at you. You're stronger than you think. So let's open it up so you don't have to see the glare. So this is what it looks like. If I'm going to be completely honest, off the bat, I'm not really that excited. Like I said, this I can't use inside of my planner. This, I really don't know if I'm going to use it. It's pretty basic, to be honest with you. I mean, for people who like very, very minimal, I'm sure this is going to be great. And I do like minimal. It's just, I just don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I know we're only 2 items in, but anyway, okay, so the next thing appears to be another dashboard. So this says logo file, a lover of words. So let me open it up. It says, are you a lover of words too? If so, this dashboard is for you. So, I mean, this is again, like, to be honest with you, would I really use this? I mean, among these two, I'd say I probably like this one better, but it's just, I know words on their dashboards is a thing with cloth and paper, but again, so far I'm not that impressed because 3 of the items out of the box so far are things that I can't really use per se. Like, yes, I can use these in my planner as a dashboard, but that's it. Like, I can't use them functionally at all. This is basically just like a display piece because, I mean, I'm guessing that's the intention behind it. So I don't know. I know I keep kind of rambling on the negatives, but I just want to be honest with you about what I'm thinking so far. And to be honest with you, at this exact moment, these items alone would be enough to get me to not resubscribe. So the next thing is another dashboard. So this one is the window dashboard. It says, there's nothing quite like opening your windows on a warm spring day. Take your time to enjoy the little things this season. So this one actually has a different texture. This is like a, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like faux leather. Like, it's not leather obviously, but it has that feel to it. I actually really like the feeling of this one, but again, it's just, I don't know if it's just me. I mean, everybody has such different tastes when it comes to how they want to like spruce up their planners. So I feel like these are it's kind of hard to like put things like this in a box that's not customized per person, just because, you know, it's hit or miss. Like for me, none of these are things I would really get use out of, but I really do like the feeling of this one. It feels a little bit more like high quality compared to the other two. It's definitely a different paper. Okay, it looks like we're finally actually getting into some inserts. Thank goodness. So the first thing I'm seeing here are oh, I'm literally looking right at it and I'm missing it. So these are half-page cleaning inventory inserts. So again, I'm going to insert some better photos so you can better clips so you can actually see these items without me in the frame. So I'm opening these up. Basically, it is a cleaning inventory. It has a supply list and a reminders box. So I'm guessing this is so that you can kind of keep track of like cleaning supplies that you might need, which I do think this would come in handy for me because, you know, every month or two I do have to like re-up on, you know, cleaning stuff, not necessarily like your Lysol, but, you know, laundry detergent and stuff like that. So this says, with these half-page cleaning inventory inserts, running out of supplies is a thing of the past. Keep track of your cleaning products by layering these over your new cleaning inserts. There's even space to note down your favorite cleaning hacks and personal recipes. So I think these are decent. I mean, I'm not upset about these. Will I get use out of this like all the time? Probably not. It's probably would be useful to have for like just like a running thing I keep in my planner so that anytime I'm like, oh, we're running low on this, I can add it to here. And I might even go beyond cleaning supplies and do like toilet paper, paper towels, and things like that, because that might be nice to keep track of on here too, since I do account for like household items separately than I do like my groceries. So anyway, that is these little half-page inserts. Next, we have these cleaning inserts. So these are, it says, start with a clean slate this season and keep it that way. We are always thinking of ways to make your planner shine. Now you can make your home shine too with our cleaning inserts. Okay, so I'm thinking now, when I first read you the description on this, I was reading the description on this. So it doesn't appear that this cleaning checklist is actually something they're considering as part of the box. I think this was honestly just a freebie. So now knowing that, that's nice. It's nice to have a little freebie. Again, I'm not really going to do too much with this probably, but it is a nice little thought to have. So anyway, this basically has a spot for where you can put the week of. You have your daily cleaning tasks, and it gives you a little box to be able to check it off. Then you have the days of the week and a notes section so that you could write down, you know, specific things that need to happen on specific days. Now, I actually have to say, I think I really do like these because, like I mentioned a little bit ago, I am a big clean freak and I clean constantly. So these would actually be really nice to have. And let's see if they're front and back. They are front and back. So that's really nice. I'm not sure exactly how many come in each of these. You know, maybe I'll count them out and then list it on the screen so you know. But I actually really do like these, and if I get use out of them, you know, that's the thing with inserts is they seem great in theory, but then, you know, sometimes depending on how you plan, you don't actually get use out of them. So if I do end up getting a lot of use out of these, then I would definitely consider like actually buying these. So hopefully they put these in the actual like permanent shop, which it seems like they probably will because there is a SKU number on it. And I'm assuming that's kind of the point, you know, they want you to like these items and then go buy them again. So next we have, looks like, I think these are the journaling cards. So it comes with this nice little like, it's like a plastic clear May little like month. I actually really like that. The only thing that kind of sucks is like unless you get this all the time, you wouldn't have every single month. But I think this is cute, especially if you want to like prop it up somewhere or keep it like in the front of your planner for quick access. That's cute. Then we have a card that says, "The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see." I really like that because gratitude is something that I definitely try to practice and, you know, remind myself of the things to be grateful for every day, because sometimes it can be hard and we can dwell on the negative, but there's always something in every day to be grateful for. So I actually like that one. The next one says, "A fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset." That's actually really nice too. I feel like these are kind of applicable to my life right now, you know, like trying to, you know, I've had a lot of life changes recently, and sometimes, you know, you just want a clean slate, and it's not always a place like that says, it's your mindset. So that's nice. Then we have another May like journaling card that again you could probably stick in your planner. You know, I think this is nice. The only thing I just thought about though is these are really only good for this year. You're not going to be able to use it year after year since it is in accordance with 2021. Okay, so next we have something that actually looks pretty exciting to me. And these are email/call minimal task card sets. It says, "Never miss an important email or phone call again with these minimal task cards. They are 2 inches by 3.5 inches, and there are 12 of each card." So this is what they look like. I don't really want to open this package because I don't want them to get everywhere. So you see you have call, email, and there's some little like check circles. That's actually really nice because, you know, if you have like a busy work day and you have, you know, like meetings that you need to, you know, especially now working from home, everything is kind of virtual. So you have to call people for meetings and email. That's actually really nice. I'm really excited about these. So I'm starting to feel a little bit more like excited about this box now that we're into the like usable items. Next, we have these Quartz transparent page flags. Says there are 50 sheets in this. So that's actually really exciting. And I actually am filming a video after this, my A5 like planner supply haul, and little sneak, I did buy some stuff from Cloth and Paper and I did get some page flags, but I did not get this color. So I think this is actually really nice. Alright, I just got interrupted for a second. But yes, I'm very excited about these. I think I only picked up one color of these to try out in my Cloth and Paper haul. So I'm excited to have like, you know, another color option. And they are transparent, so that'll be nice. Then we have these circle sticky note set. So there are 25 sheets of each color. This is what they look like. Now, to be honest with you, this is something that, these are called circle page flags. Oh. That's interesting because on here it's called circle page flags set, but on this it says circle sticky note set. So, anyway, they're like page flags, I guess, not so much sticky notes. But again, these are something that I probably won't get like a ton of use out of, but they might be good for like notating certain things in my like pre-planning process. Since I do intend to film like plan with me's, I will obviously have to be like planning in advance but not actually writing it in. So this would be kind of a good way to like maybe notate certain days that are important, so that way when I do my planning videos that I'm hoping to do, you know, I'll be able to, you know, have these as like an indicator, but then, you know, in the video be able to like write in exactly what these indicate. So again, I'm not sure how much use I'll get out of these, but it's cute. And then the last thing we have in the box is these fog color bar lined notepad. So this is just a notepad. It's not an insert, you know, specific to my planner, which I actually like this because I'm big on like just taking quick notes, and sometimes, you know, you don't necessarily need your whole insert. And with these two, you could always like rip one off and then just stick it in the pocket in your planner. So that's nice. I might even like detach some of these if possible, if they'll stay together, and then like stick them in a pocket in my planner. That way on the go, I have these on hand. So that is everything we got in the box. Now, how am I feeling about buying for next month? I'm honestly not sure how I feel about it because, you know, the first 3 items in the box are pretty much things, I'm gonna be honest, I probably won't really use, just because, you know, I don't need these. And if I do create it, like if I do put a dashboard in my planner, this is not really like the style that I would go for. So those 3 items are not super useful to me personally. And honestly, these are kind of like a hit or miss type thing. I might end up getting more use out of them than I think. But, you know, that's 4 out of, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. So 4 out of 10 items are kind of like meh, and the other 6, which, to be honest with you, I don't even really count this as an item because these are just like little journaling cards. So really, if we call it, you know, 5 items that are just kind of so-so, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let me know in the description box down, or let me know in the comments down below. Do you subscribe to this box? How do you feel about it? You know, how many times have you gotten it? Have you canceled? I really would love to know your thoughts, because at this moment, I'm really not sure. If I do decide to cancel the box, I'll go ahead and leave a note at some point in either the comments or the description box. That way you kind of know what I think. Now, to determine whether I think this box is worth it, it's really hard to say. It's just personal preference. You know, would I value the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items that I will likely use at $38? Probably, because I think I did pay around 30 something for the few items I picked up separate from this. So it's not a bad deal for the stuff you get. But again, if it's stuff you're not going to use, then it really isn't, it is kind of a waste of money. So anyway, I don't want to keep rambling on. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the items that I got, and it was exciting because it's like getting a little present in the mail because you don't know what's coming in the box. So anyway, I thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I do plan on doing more planner related videos, so definitely stick around if you want to see those, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!